Hi everyone, welcome to Math with Miss Fudge. Think parallelograms are confusing? In the next few minutes, you'll see they're just rectangles in disguise. Join me to uncover how to find the area of parallelograms. The area of a parallelogram is usually calculated with the formula base times height. The base is the bottom part and the slant height. Now, this parallelogram is on a grid paper. The dimensions are not given. To know the dimensions, we count the number of squares to find the base and the height. 1, 2, 3, 4. The base is 4 multiplied by the slant height, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5 gives us 20. Because we do not have the dimensions here, we call it units, so we say it's 20 units squared. Here we need to find the area of this particular parallelogram here. Again, using the formula base times height. The base is 6 centimeter and the height, the slant height, is 3.2 centimeter. So multiply 6 and 3.2. 6 times 3.2 gives us 19.2. And the unit is a centimeter square. Here we need to find the missing dimension. So we are given the area as 45 inches square and we're given the base as 9 inches. We do not know the slant height. So again, we go for our formula, which is base times height. The area is 45, the base is 9, the height is unknown. So now, for the height to stand alone, we need to divide both sides by 9. So 45 divided by 9 and 9 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9 gives us 5. And 9 will cross out the other 9. So it means the height is 5 inches. And you can check to see if your answer is correct. Multiply the height, which is 5, by the base, which is 9, to give you the area, which is 45. In this example also, we need to find the missing dimension. We're given the area as 21 centimeters square, the slant height as 7 centimeter, and we do not know the base. So again, we use the formula area equals the base times the height. The area is given as 21 centimeters square. The base we do not know, and the height is 7. Now for our base to stand alone, we need to divide the two sides by 7. 21 divided by 7, and we divide this side by 7. The 7, we cross out the 7 at the top, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. So it means the base is 3 centimeter. To see if you're correct, multiply the base with the slant height. 3 times 7 gives you 21 centimeters square. That is the area. If this video helped you, click on the like button, subscribe to this channel for more math videos, and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until I come your way next time. Bye.